No, why you start already? It was there, nobody touched it. Nobody. Yeah, 2,5. No.
Assalamualaikum, selamat sore. In this moment, I think all the teams cannot say that was the perfect planification for the game, but we are in the same conditions because in this situation is a recovery and play. We don't have too much time to make many things. So game for tomorrow. First, I want to ask one thing here that some supporters ask to me and I don't have answers. Some supporters ask me why they cannot come to see the match on the stadium between Persib against our team, and I don't have the answer. And I say I don't know why, and they say to me, coach, we don't make any problem. We receive Persib and the other teams on pare always with the best behavior, and this is true. This is true. Since I arrived, I don't have any information that any supporter from PSM Makassar that make trouble. Football is passion. Is a sport that the supporters can bring extra energy for the players. And our team see the difference. PSM Makassar on pare, home stadium, and PSM Makassar away. One of the case for this success, the points that we get at home, is the extra energy of our supporters, the extra energy that they give to our team, to our players. So if they have bagus behavior, why they cannot be tomorrow here? Because I don't understand. I respect all of the decisions, but I want to have something to tell to these supporters, because they think was PSM Makassar, and it's not. So I think it's not fair that tomorrow we're gonna play a game that just one team have supporters. I think Indonesia is not North Korea. I already go 2 times to North Korea to play FEC Cup, and I have in one game more than 100,000 supporters, and we just the players and the staff, and we play there. Indonesia have big passion for the game, are fantastic supporters. So please explain for our supporters and also for me, for our players, for our staff, why tomorrow cannot have supporters PSM Makassar on the stadium. We want to try to know, because the football without supporters is nothing. Is nothing. How you want to pass the energy, the emotion from the brand, from the club, if you remove the guys from the stadium? We already have a big example when we play at home. Before, some games we have almost 20,000, 18,000, something like this, attendance on pare. In this moment, some people say that we just can have 4,000. Since I am coach, that we start playing on pare, I don't see any problem with the stadium or with the supporters of away team or with our supporters. So please, don't remove the supporters from the stadium. Don't remove, please. One of the things good of the football is supporters from home team try to support the team, and supporters from away team try to support this team. This is the essence of the game. This is the energy of the game. This is why this is a sport so beautiful. So please, try to explain to us and principal to our supporters why not tomorrow our supporters can be on the stadium. About Persib, bagus club, bagus coach, bagus local player, bagus foreign player, And tomorrow, I hope that Bagus was it. But for the two teams to make the best game, because last matches, if you're gonna see, we have all the matches, the last matches, 1 or 2 penalties that the referee not give. Players of opposite team that nobody touch him and go down and free kick against us. So tomorrow I want to see a fair game. I want that who's win deserve to win. If it's gonna be a draw, it's gonna be a draw. I don't want any influence of the was it. I repeat, I hope that tomorrow be Persib team against PSM Makassar team, and with Bagus performance was it. And after we see the result. And one thing I want to tell. Since the beginning I arrived here and we start working together, my target was always to try to make our best and try to make better than the last season. And I think we already make. So my players, my team don't have any pressure for tomorrow. It's just to enjoy the game. So this is why I'm very unhappy to not can enjoy the game with our supporters on the stadium also. And also a big message for our supporters that are on Makassar. Today too much rain. I hope everybody is safe. Take care. Terima kasih.
Yeah, I think we can be already very proud that we're gonna play a match tomorrow between number 1 and number 2 of the league. Maybe 3 now, since I win, I think, last game. But it made me clear that it's gonna be a nice game. Play away in Persib is always a nice game. A lot of supporters, but yeah, what the coach already said, too bad that our supporters cannot be there. And yeah, I think the pressure is with Persib. What the coach just said, we didn't have the expectation what position we are playing now, and so for us everything is a win-win now, and we are enjoying to play. So every win more gives us more enjoyment, more motivation to continue the way we are playing at the moment. So for us, we're gonna be happy tomorrow and give all again, like every game, and we will see the result.
Tiga orang, bagi dua. Guys, let's start pretty simple, okay? So, if that is odd,
Dia nggak tahu sama sekali.
simple, 2,
10. Nanda. Sana po lagi yan. Tayo marah nanti. 3. Waduh, ambil dulu yang itu. Waduh, ambil.
so let's start like this.
Oh ya.
Only this. Good? Yeah. Then I tell you a number. That's it.
Iya ambil, lari deh sesuai kanan kiri, ganjil genap.
Only.
Ini kalah dulu pokoknya.
Ready?
Come on.
3.
3. Tapi dia bawa lari duluan aja.
Biar dia duluan ambil, kalau kau duluan ambil.
4.
No, why you start already? It was there, nobody touched it. Nobody. Yeah, 2,5. No, me 3, you 2. Ah, caralho,
Ready?
Oh, your foot.
Come on.
Your foot. Go away. Put down. Put down. See this guy.
Come on, next one, guys. Come on, guys, last one.
Tangan dulu tuh.
Jakob. Jangan lupa ya.
Wait. 5, 9.
Angkela.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bergerak. Siap. Besarlah bagus gereja ganti. Bagus. Oke, ganti. Oke.
Biasa kalau kita
And the winner, Yanchi goal. Now. Selamat Yanchi. Ewako. Pas.